What up, everybody? I know it's been a little bit of time since I made a YouTube video, but right now I'm going through something insanely awesome in my life. I can't share too much about it right now, but I'm in an undisclosed location where I'm going to be doing something just super huge. So anyone that's been subscribed to this journey, you guys have never seen anything like what I'm about to do, and all this information of what I'm doing now is going to come out very soon. That's what I wanted to say. Also, I'm going to be losing my phone for about a month, so I'm not going to be posting on YouTube or Instagram or anywhere else. I won't be able to contact anyone for the next month, so that's going to be key. But other than that, I wanted to show you guys, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, everything has been going sky high. I think I made almost $200,000 in the past month on my crypto holdings. So I'm going to show you number one, my BlockFi account. This is where you can earn annual percentages of 3.5%, 4.5%, 5%. Like I'm holding Ethereum in here and it's earning me 5% per year. Literally last month, this account was only at $40,000 or $50,000 and it's doubled in that short amount of time. I can also go in and show you my Coinbase account where we're sitting at 43,000. And I'll show you just in the last month, don't mind this big spike here. That's when I actually sent some crypto out of another account and put it here so then I can send it into BlockFi. But down here I had 26,000. Now I'm at 43,000. So almost 20K earned there. But the biggest gainer by far on Coinbase for me has been Solana. If you look at the past month, it was literally at $36 and now it's over 160 bucks. Like it's at 170, it was just at 160 not too long ago. If I click on my Solana wallet, you can see all the purchases that I made and it totals only $900 in purchases. And now I'm sitting up here at $5,390 and I just bought Solana last month. So if you missed kind of buying in when everything was at the lows, you want to just pretty much take a look at any of these graphs. This is Stellar Lumens at 40 cents right now. And when you have your Coinbase account, and I'll have links to BlockFi and Coinbase down below, but you can see it's only recovered maybe halfway up from where the all-time high was, sitting at exactly 80 cents. So when we see the next parabolic run, which we're going to see over the next 1 to 2 months, sadly, I'm not going to have my phone for the next month, but that's why I'm buying some of these coins that haven't accelerated up to their all-time highs yet. Bitcoin, Ethereum, they're already getting up there. 52K for Bitcoin, Ethereum's at 4K. But you look at Stellar Lumens, XLM, on Coinbase, and it's still only halfway up. So you can still double your money in some of these coins. I'm not saying go out and buy them, but take a look at the graphs and see, hey, if the graph hasn't gone up that much, maybe it's a good time to buy in there. Same thing, I created an Uphold account with also another 20K in it, and that was at $9,000. If I go back here at the beginning of the month, a month ago, $9,000 turned into 20K already. Things have doubled for me in just 1 month, which is insane. But over here, this is where you can actually buy XRP. So you can't buy that on Coinbase or really any other accounts, and that's a coin that a lot of banks are said to start using. So that's going to be super important. And then my last big account is Bybit. So this is a leveraged trading account. If you can see with the small numbers there, I have 74,000. This is only in Bitcoin here. So once I use this account for the trades I make, I can take profits and send them over into BlockFi. It's really cool because then I can actually earn money from just staking it or keeping my Bitcoin on BlockFi, and I'm earning interest daily on that. The only other places I really keep my money are in cash. I think I have about 85 or 90K in cash sitting in my bank account. I have more than half that on a business bank account, and then about 30K on just my personal checking. And when I get those personal checking account numbers up and my money in there, that's when I'm usually funneling it into cryptocurrency and seeing massive returns, because holding it in a bank, holding it in dollars, US dollars, it's just getting devalued super fast. So you want to be careful, and when crypto starts pumping, one of the best exit strategies is just to take profits, take profits in a stable coin. Just you can easily convert maybe your XRP profit or Stellar Lumens profit into USDC. So it'll remain at $1 USDC will, and you can capitalize on those profits, send them into USDC, and then if the market tanks, your numbers will still stay the same, and then you can buy back in at lower prices. Just turn your USDC stablecoin back into whatever coin you want. Really the only other thing besides my bank account and cryptocurrency accounts are I have a Webull account with about 74K in it, and I think, as you can see, my open profit down there is about 28,000. So that's since I started my account. I never knew much or anything about stocks, and I just bought in when the pandemic hit, and things have pretty much doubled since then. I put about $30,000 in, 35,000 or whatever, and or maybe a little more than that, but it's made 30K in profit. So just look into some of these different outlets. I mean, the last thing I can show you that I've literally hardly put any attention into is my Amazon business. I still am pulling passive income. I only made one sale today, but just the other day I made like 15 sales or something of my products at $20 profit per sale. So I'm still pulling, $300 a day in some of these cases on my Amazon business in profit. I'll have all the resources and links down below. If you want to start an Amazon business, that's where I get the money into my bank account so that I can go buy cryptocurrency. I don't just randomly have money to spend on crypto. It's actually earned through my Amazon business that's reoccurring money every day, that's passive income in my sleep. I don't have to ship products out. Amazon does that for me. By the time I'm home in a month from now or whatever, you guys can hit me up and say, Luke, I took the course. I'm ready to have you help me find a product, and then we can get those profits into more cryptocurrency, and you'll be good from there. So thanks so much again for watching this. I just had to let you know I won't be here for the next 3 weeks or a month, so I'll catch you later. Peace.